Dear students, today we shall discuss exercise 5b. Question number 4. Simplify and express the answer in the positive exponent form. Question number 1. Negative 3 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6 all by 6 into 2 raised to 3. Solution in same question. Negative 3 all raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6 all by 6 split and write 3 into 2 into 2 raised to 3. Then next negative 3 all raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6 numerator same. Then 3 means 3 raised to 1. 2 means 2 raised to 1. Then next step numerator is same. 3 means 3 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 3 means that with formula form a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So we are using the formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Then 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 3 means 2 raised to 1 plus 3. So 2 raised to 1 plus 3. Multiplication name exponents plus and right. So then next numerator same. Denominator 3 raised to 1 into 1 plus 3 answer 2 raised to 4. Next arrange the terms. Negative 3 raised to 3. Negative 3 all raised to 3 means negative sign we can use in outside of the bracket. So negative 3 times if you multiply it will be negative answer. So negative 3 all raised to 3 by 3. 3 means it is 3 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 6 by 2 raised to 4. Now this step in the formula form a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Then here division time exponents minus and right. So here 3 raised to 3 by 3 raised to 1. Exponents 3 and 1. So then we can write negative 3 raised to 3 minus 1 into 2 raised to 6 all by 2 raised to 4 means exponents 6 and 4. Then 6 minus 4. 2 raised to 6 minus 4. Next negative 3 raised to 3 minus 1 means 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 6 minus 4 means it is 2 raised to 2. So exponents are 2 and 2. Both are positive terms, positive numbers. So in question it is asked simplify and express the answers in the positive exponent form. So positive answer. So answer is negative 3 all raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. Question number 2. 36 into negative 6 all square into 3 raised to 6 all by 12 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 5. Solution. Next 36 we can split and write is 6 into 6. 6 into 6. Negative 6 all square into 3 raised to 3 raised to 6 all by 12 q means 12 into 12 into 12 into 3 raised to 5. This 3 raised to 6 by 3 raised to 5 in the formula form a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Then next 6 into 6 into negative 6 all raised to 2 means negative 6 into negative 6 2 times into numerator 3 raised to 6 by 3 raised to 5 we will write 3 raised to 6 minus 5. Division and exponents minus and writing. Then next is first 6 and 12 cutting. So by 6 2 times in 12 is 2. Then second 6 and 12 2 times. Next negative 6 and 12 cutting. Negative sign not cutting 6 and 12 2. Then this 2 and this 6 cutting 3. Then negative into negative it will be positive answer. 3 raised to 6 minus 5 means it is 6 minus 5 1. So 3 raised to 1. So in numerator 3 is remaining, negative sign will be positive and denominator 2 into 2 remaining 2 into 2. Then again 3 means 3 raised to 1. Then 3 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 means exponents same base, exponents plus and right. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 raised to 2. In denominator also 2 into 2 means 2 square. So common, taking both the exponents equal, same, that is 2. That's equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 all square. Again, next question number 4. Negative 128 by 2187. First you have to do the prime factorization of 128 and 2187. 128 prime factorization, you see here how many times 2, it is 7 times, and 2187 also done, that is also 7 times 3. 3 comes in 7 times. So we can write 128, negative sign remains like that. Then 128 we can write 2 raised to 7 by 2187 we can write 3 raised to 7. Then both the exponents are equal, that's both 7 only. So then we can write negative sign common, 2 by 3 all raised to 7. So answer is negative 2 by 3 all raised to 7. Next question number 5. A raised to negative 7 into B raised to negative 7 into C raised to 5 into D raised to 4 all by A raised to 3 into B raised to negative 5 into C raised to minus 3 into D raised to 8. Then first step, already we know that A raised to m by A raised to n equal to A raised to m minus n. That formula we are using here. So from the question, first A raised to negative 7 by A raised to 3 we can write A raised to minus 7 minus second denominator 3, that is in bracket. First exponent is minus 7 and from the formula m minus n, minus sign is here, and denominator exponent is 3. So negative 7 minus 3 into B raised to negative 7 by B raised to negative 5, we will write B raised to negative 7 minus negative 5 into C raised to 5 minus negative 3, 5 minus negative 3 into D raised to 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8. Now here negative 7 minus 3 means negative 7 minus 3 answer is negative 10. So A raised to negative 10 into, and here these two negative signs nearer to near. So we will make minus into minus will be plus. So negative 7 plus 5 into, next is also these two negative signs nearer to nearer, multiply and will get plus. So 5 plus 3 into, last one is D raised to 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 answer is negative 4 minus 4. Then next A raised to negative 10 into B raised to negative minus 7 plus 5 answer is minus 2 into C raised to 5 plus 3 answer is 8 into D raised to minus 4. Now from question it is we have to make all the exponents positive form. So C raised to 8, the exponent 8 is positive, are all negative forms only, negative 10, negative 2, negative 4. So you have to make that all in positive form. So we know the formula A raised to minus n equal to 1 by A raised to n. So A raised to negative 10 we will write in denominator A raised to 10. Second B raised to minus 2 we will write in denominator, that's B square. Last one is D raised to minus 4, write in D raised to 4. So numerator terms with the negative exponents, if you write in denominator, that all will be in positive forms. So therefore the answer is C raised to 8 by A raised to 10 in B square D raised to 4. Now next question number 5. Evaluate 6 raised to minus 2 divided by 4 raised to minus 2 into 3 raised to minus 2. First we will write this question in the numerator denominator form. So 6 raised to minus 2 in numerator by 4 raised to minus 2 into 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, first make all the negative exponents make positive form. So 6 raised to negative 2 in numerator. So if you write that one in denominator, it will be positive form. 4 raised to negative 2 in denominator. If you write that one in numerator, it is in positive form. 3 raised to negative 2 also in numerator, it's positive form. So we know the formula a raised to 1 by a raised to negative n equal to a raised to n. That formula we are using here. Now next, 4 square means 4 into 4, 2 times, into 3 square means 3 into 3, all by 6 square means 6 into 6. Now first this 3 and 6 cutting, then 2, second 3 and 6 cutting, then 2, this 2 and 4 is cutting, then 2 times, next 2 and 4 is cutting 2, then all the numbers cancel, only 2 into 2 is remaining, so 2 into 2 answer is 4, so answer is 4. Now next, question number 5, second question. 5 by 6 whole square into 9 by 4 divided by negative 3 by 2 whole square into 125 by 216. Solution, and first change the question in numerator denominator form. Then 5 by 6 whole square into 9 by 4, same numerator first we are writing. Then denominator, so we have tried the denominator in reciprocal form. So just to see the example, 5 by 2 divided by 7 by 4 we will write 5 by 2 first writing, then division changing and putting into, then 7 by 4 we will write 4 by 7. Numerator and denominator changing, reciprocal form we are writing. So here also we have tried this complete numerator, same thing first writing, then into, then negative 3 by 2 whole square became 2 by 3, 3 by 2 became 2 by 3, negative 2 by 3 whole square into 125 by 216, we will write 216 by 125. Now expand, 5 by 6 whole square means 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 2 times into 9 by 4 into negative 2 by 3 whole square means negative 2 by 3 into negative 2 by 3 into 216 by 125. First this 6 and 216 cutting, dividing, so 36, then next 6 and 36 cutting, then 6, 5 and 125 cutting 25 times, next 5 and 25 cutting 5 times. Now 3 and 9 cutting 3 times, next 3 and 3 cutting. Then next 2 and 4 is cutting 2 times, next 2 and is 2 cutting, negative sign not cutting. Then what is remaining after cutting? So negative into negative remaining, that is negative, negative will be positive. Then in numerator 6 remaining and denominator 5 is remaining. So 6 by 5 is it, after division you will get 1 by 5 is the answer. Now number 5, third question. 5 cube into 3 square plus 17 raised to 0 into 7 cube. Then first you have to expand 5 cube means 5 3 times into 3 square means 3 into 3 plus 17 raised to 0 means it is 1. Anything raised to 0 we know there is a 0, 1 into 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Now 5 into 5 into 5 answer is 125. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 into 7 3 times if you multiply you get 343. Then 125 into 9 is 1125 plus 1 into 343 343. This should add, then we will get 1468 is the answer. Next number 4, 2 raised to 5 into 15 raised to 0 plus negative 3 all raised to 3 minus 2 by 7 all raised to negative 2. So then first we have to expand 2 raised to 5 means 2 5 times into 15 raised to 0 1 plus negative 3 all cube, negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 minus. Now here exponent is negative, so I have to convert that one in positive form. So we will write 2 by 7 became 7 by 2. 7 by 2 all raised to positive exponent 2. Then all this 2 multiplied, then 32. minus means negative into negative into negative, negative into negative positive, positive into negative negative. That's why using here negative sign. Also I can say positive into negative negative, negative into negative positive, positive into negative negative. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. Then next minus sign is here. 7 by 2 in bracket all square. So 7 by 2 we are multiplying 2 times. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Minus sign is out of the bracket. So only one time. Now 7 into 7 49. 2 into 2 4. So 32 minus 27 is 5. Minus is minus 49 by 4. Take the LCM. 4 is the LCM. 4 into 5 20 minus 49 all by 4. 20 minus 49 means minus 29 by 4. That's the answer. Then next number 5. 2 raised to 2 all raised to 0 plus 2 raised to negative 4 divided by 2 raised to negative 6 plus 1 by 2 all raised to negative 3. Then 2 raised to 2 all raised to 0 means 2 into 0 0. That's why 2 raised to 0 plus next we are using here both masses. This is 2 raised to negative 4 divided by 2 raised to minus 6. So we are writing in numerator denominator form 2 raised to minus 4 by 2 raised to minus 6. Division using in a numerator denominator form plus 1 by 2 all raised to minus 3. Now next 2 raised to 2 into 0 0. Then now this is which we are using the formula a raised to m by a raised to n. A raised to m by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. So 2 raised to minus 4. Numerator exponent is minus 4 minus denominator exponent is negative 6. So negative 6 in bracket numerator negative 4. Negative 4 minus negative 6 plus 1 by 2 all raised to negative 3 means exponent is negative. So converting that one in positive form, we will write 2 by 1 all raised to 3. Then 2 raised to 0 is 1 plus 2 raised to these two negative sign together it is became plus. So negative 4 plus 6 plus 2 by 1 means it is 2 all raised to 3. Then 1 plus negative 4 plus 6 will be 2. So 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3 expansion 1 plus 2 square means it is 4. This 3 times 2 multiplied 8. So 1 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 13 is the answer. Now next number 6. 5 raised to n into 25 raised to n minus 1 divided by 5 raised to n minus 1 into 25 raised to n minus 1. This is complete in bracket. Then next 5 raised to n into this 25 we can write 5 square. 5 square means it is 25. 5 instead of 25 we will write 25 square complete in bracket and n minus 1 out of the bracket divided by now 5 raised to n minus 1 into 25 again converting here 5 square all raised to n minus 1. Then next step 5 raised to n into this 5 square all raised to n minus 1 we can write it. You know the formula a raised to m all raised to n means a raised to mn. So using the we are using the formula here a raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to mn or m into n. This formula we are using here. So 5 raised to 2 all raised to n minus 1 2 into n 2n 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by 5 raised to n minus 1 same into here also 5 square 5 raised to 2 all raised to n minus 1 using the same formula. Then 5 raised to 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Now next step 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 2n minus 2 divided by. So this is a bracket. First we have to remove this bracket. So we know the formula a raised to m into a raised to n formula a raised to m plus n. So exponents n minus 1 and 2n minus 2. These two add and write. So 5 raised to n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2. Now next 5 raised to n into 5 raised to n minus 2 same and calculate here. N plus 2n means it is 3n. N means 1n. 1n plus 2n means 3n. Minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. Both are same sign, so minus 3. Now next 5 raised to n into 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 2n minus 2. Here next is here division. These two are division formulae, same base. Then exponents we have to minus and get. So 5 raised to 2n minus 2 minus 3n minus 3. Now 5 raised to n same, and this one remove the bracket. 2n minus 2 minus into 3n minus 3n minus into minus 3 plus 3. Now 2n minus 3n means 2 minus 3, it is 1 or minus n. Minus 2 plus 3 means it is plus 1. Then 5 raised to n into 5 raised to minus n plus 1. Now next this step is like a raised to m into a raised to n formula form. So a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to n plus minus n plus 1. Then 5n plus minus n means we can cut here. Plus n and minus n we are cancelling here. Then what is remaining? 1 is remaining. 5 raised to 1, that is 5. 5 raised to 1 means it is 1. Same question we can solve from here this way also. 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 2n minus 2 divided by 5 raised to 3n minus 3. From this side, from here we can convert another way also, we can solve here. So first these two we can calculate. A raised to m into a raised to n, at to calculate first. So 5 raised to n plus 2n minus 2. A raised to m into a raised to n, for answer is a raised to m plus n. That exponents multiplication time exponents plus n, right? So n plus 2n minus 2 divided by 5 raised to 3n minus 3. So after calculation, n plus 2n means n means 1n. 1n plus 2n means 3n minus 2 divided by 5 raised to 3n minus 3. Now this is the division form. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Division time exponents minus. So 5 raised to 3n minus 2 minus 3n minus 3. Open the bracket, then 3n minus 2 minus into 3n minus 3n minus into minus 3 plus 3. So 3n minus 3n cutting. Then minus 2 plus 3 remaining. Minus 2 plus 3 means it is 1. So 5 raised to 1. That means it is equal to 5 is the answer. Next question. Number 6. If m equal to minus 2 and n equal to 2, find the value of question number 1. M square plus n square minus 2mn. Solution. M equal to minus 2 and n equal to 2, that is given in the question. So first question, m square plus n square minus 2mn. So in the place of m we will substitute minus 2 and n place we will put 2. Substitute and see here m square. First m square. M place minus 2 whole square outside the bracket plus n equal to 2, that is why 2 n place 2 and square minus 2 into m means minus 2 into n means it is 2. Now negative 2 whole square means negative 2 into negative 2 plus 2 square means 2 into 2. Now these all we have to multiply. Negative minus 2 into minus 2 will be negative into negative positive. 2 into 2 4 into this 2. 2 into 2 4 into 2. Negative 2 negative 2 positive 4 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 2 8. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 8 16 is the answer. Now next same question, m raised to n plus n raised to m, and we know the form values m equal to minus 2 and n equal to 2. So m raised to n plus n raised to m. In the place of m we will substitute minus 2 and n place 2. So m raised to n became minus 2 whole square plus n raised to m became 2 raised to minus 2. M value is minus 2. Now minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 raised to minus 2 means exponent is negative, so we'll write 1 by 2 square. Then next line, negative 2 into negative 2, it is 4 plus 1 by 2 square means it is 4. Now find out the LCM. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1 all by 4. So 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 by 4. After division, mixed fraction is 4, 1 by 4 is the answer. Now next question, 6 m raised to minus 3 plus 4 n square. So m equal to minus 2 and n equal to 2 is given in the question. Then question 6 m raised to minus 3 plus 4 n square is equal to 6 into m place minus 2 in bracket all raised to minus 3 plus 4 n square, that is 4 into n is 2, that's why 2 raised to 2. Now 6 into negative 2 all raised to 3, exponent is negative, so we will write to 1 by negative 2 all raised to 3 plus 4 into 2 square, 2 square 2 into 2. Then next 6 into 1 by negative 2 all raised to 3 means 1 by negative 2 3 times plus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 16. Then first 2 and 6 cutting there, 2 and 3 times, negative sign not cutting, so negative 3, so and negative into negative into negative will be negative, negative into negative positive, positive into negative negative, that is sign always we are using in the numerator. So numerator negative sign and 3 is remaining here, 3 and 2 into 2 answer is 4 plus is 16. Now find out the LCM. 4 into 16, 64. So it's negative 3 plus 4 into 16, 64 all by 4. Negative 3 plus 64 answer is 61 by 4. After division, 15 1 by 4 is the mixed fraction. Now next question, 2n cube minus 3m. 2n cube, so n equal to 2 and m equal to minus 2. So 2 into n cube became 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube minus 3m. 3m means 3 into minus 2. 2 into 2 cube means 2 3 times, that is 8. 2 into 8 plus means negative into negative will be plus. 3 into 2 6. So 2 into 8 16 plus 6 is equal to 22 is the answer.